Hi everyone, I am Lakshmi, a student of Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering Data Science. In this video, we will be discussing about the subject Discrete Mathematics, and here are the topics. The Kalin 4 group. Now first into the definition, properties and example of Kalin 4 groups. The first thing is introduction about the group. Before going to the Kalin 4 group, we'll just know what is group. A group is a set G with the binary operation which will be satisfying the conditions such as closure, associative identity, and the inverse. The group can be finite or infinite. Then examples of groups which will be including the integers under the addition, that is z, plus non-zero real numbers under the multiplication r star and dot, and symmetric groups S3 which is a permutation of three elements. The next one is what is Kalin 4 group. It is also known as a V4, that is Z2 cross Z2, where it is a group with the four elements and which will be having the specific properties. The elements of Kalin 4 group, that is V4 is equal to E, A, B, C. Here we have taken the four elements where E is considered to be as an identity element. We have taken A square is equal to B square and C square, which will be equal to the E, and similarly AB is equal to C, BC is equal to A, and CA is equal to B. Now let's look into the group table of V4. We have taken the four elements which is A, B and C, where E is the identity element, so we'll be getting E in the E column, and A will be corresponded to the A only, and B is in the B and C is in the C, which will be satisfying all the other properties and identity as well. Why? Because here E is the identity element and it is also considered as a Kalin 4 group. This is a perfect example for it. The next one is the properties of Kalin 4 group, which will be abelian, which will be satisfying all the other properties, and especially the commutative property also. It is said to be as a abelian, where all the elements are their own inverses and order of the group should be 4, and it is not in the cyclic. These are the properties of the major properties of the Kalin 4 group. The next one is a V4 as a subgroup. V4 is a subgroup of S4, that is symmetric group on the four elements, which will be consisting of the identity and the double transpositions. The next one is the applications of V4: group theory, foundation, error correcting code, symmetry operations in the chemistry and the physics as well. The next one is the summary. V4 is a small but important group useful for understanding basic group properties, appears in many mathematical and real world contexts. This is about the Kalin 4 group, and I hope so this was informative. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like the